Surigao del Sur is a province of the Philippines located in the Caraga region in Mindanao. Its capital is Tandag City and borders Surigao del Norte to the north, Agusan del Norte and Agusan del Sur to the west, and Davao Oriental to the south. Tourism in this area can have different factors that affect Surigao and the people living there. There are many ways to have tourism sustainability. First, we should be responsible about different things that we do in this area. We need to prevent doing activities that can destroy our nature. We should take good care of different things you'll find there, like fishes, coral reefs, trees, and other sites found there. This will help Surigao del Sur's tourist spot to be more attractive and entertaining. We should obey and respect the culture of people who lives in there. They are the one who contribute and make their area's tourism sustainable. They make different products that will make Surigao del Sur memorable to the tourists. It will help Surigao economically and socially to support our country.